Now let's we, as African nations, begin to remove the separating walls of difficult visa entry into one another. Without synergy, it may be very difficult, if not extremely difficult, for Africa to emerge. No one nation of Africa has the capacity to stand alone without intertrade. The 12th century taught us that. The Saharan trade across Africa and even outside Africa. My point today is that we must, as Africans, begin to remove the visa walls that we have built around ourselves, which is a continuation of the Berlin Conference. We must undo that until we begin to understand that we must undo that as Africans, I must be able to move across Africa without borders, without visas. And the synergy may be impossible. Let's take, for instance, the great African industrialist, Dangote. It's rather difficult for someone like Dangote to move from different African countries and do business because of visa wall. A content creator who is an American with American passport can move across Africa without visa. Who did this to us? We must understand that the Berlin Conference must be consciously reversed, where borderlines were drawn across Africa to separate brothers and sisters who are the same, just because of one political interest, economic interest, control. But wake up! Africa is awake. We will undo it. And Eledumare will help us. Inspired by Ori, guided by Africa. Ori Africa.